Embedded systems are nearly everywhere. TVs, smartphones, airplanes, and even household appliances all contain embedded systems. And they're also prevalent in industrial, automotive, medical, and commercial industries. An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software that acts as a kind of controller for specific functions within a larger system. For example, an airplane might use an embedded system for its GPS, an electric guitar might have an embedded system for tuning the strings, and medical equipment uses embedded systems for things like vital signs monitoring and medical imaging. Embedded systems vary in complexity. They can range from a background system undetectable by the user, or be a forward-facing user interface like on mobile devices. The software depends on the embedded system's sophistication and its purpose. For instance, industrial microcontrollers with one specific function, like controlling assembly line speeds or regulating temperature, are simpler than embedded systems with multiple functions, like a smartphone camera. Expect embedded systems to become even more ubiquitous in the near future, as they're key to emerging product classes and markets like the Internet of Things, smart homes, drones, 3D printers, and surveillance tech.